welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is Whirlpool dryer machine. This machine is actually we can switch in on. We can start the machine. Whatever selection, everything it will work, but machine not warming. Machine not getting heat. Because of that, we have to check what is the exactly problem. Now we will go to the next. I already given power connection. Also, I will select here time drive 60 minutes, and this is I already temperature 6 select high. Now we will start the machine. Now you can hear the noise. The machine already got machine start. Machine is running. Now I will show you. The machine is running but not getting heat. Now we have to check the heater, also thermostat, thermistor, everything we have to check, because now I have to check heater because the main issue is not getting hot. Because of that we have to remove this model. Actually this is model wise, this machine here, this is the model 3L WED 475FWO. This model having a heater back of the machine. Because of that we have to remove here. We have to remove this power. After that we can find out heater, and we will remove all the screws. All the nuts are here, so many nuts. We have to remove all. After that only we can check. Now we will remove and check. Now I already remove all the screws. Now we can take it out here. Like that we can take. Now you can see here two thermostat. Also here main thermostat. Also here also everything we have to check now. Which one is defect? After replacing, I have to check heater everything, and we will check the heater and thermostat and thermistor everything. After that only we can recognize. We will check here two thermostat, and we will remove one by one here, and after that we can check which one is damaged, defect. Now I already remove. Maybe show them here. So sir. Now you can see here this thermostat, also this one. This both thermostat are gone. Because of that only heater not working. Now we have to change this too. After that we can resolve this issue. We will check heater connection. The heater connection no issue. This thermostat also okay. Here 100% now we know the problem. We have to change this thermostat too, because both thermostat are gone. This one we cannot, we are not able to restart also. I will remove now this. To thermostat. You can see here, this one we will check again. You can see here. Now this one already gone. We will check again here. Here this one already gone. Also this one also gone. Both thermostat already got defect. Now we have to change this same. After that our problem will get solved. Now we will change the parts, replace the parts, and we will see. Now I having the same thermostat. Now I will show you again. This one already gone. Also this one also, this is the defect one. This is new one. You can see now I can replace and check. If it is getting hot heater, it will be okay. Now we will replace and check. Fix this one. Okay, now I will give the connection. And now we will give the power connection and we will check it's getting hot. Is heater working or not? Power connection as same before, it is temperature high. Now I will on the machine. Now machine already got start. There. Now you can, yeah, I'm feeling it's very hot air coming from the machine. Now our job already complete. Now I have to fix the back cover. Yes, it's too much hot. Now our job already completed. Now I have to fix only the back cover, and my job already completed. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly.